This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're about to reset everything on your Chromebook. First, secure your data. Backup files to Google Drive or an external drive and confirm Chrome sync finished. Once done, sign out of additional accounts and make sure you know your Google sign-in and recovery options. This avoids lockouts. Now plug in the charger or verify battery is above 50% to prevent interruptions. Finally, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network so the device can download updates and restore settings after the reset. Start the power wash from Settings, Advanced, Reset Settings, then choose Power Wash and Restart. This wipes local accounts and restores factory state. If Power Wash won't finish or the system is corrupted, create a recovery USB or SD using the Chromebook recovery utility on another computer. Pick your model and write the image. Insert the media, boot into recovery mode, and follow prompts to reinstall Chrome OS. Make sure you use a 4+ GB drive and wait for the process to complete before removing media. After reset, complete the out-of-box experience. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Google account, and enable sync so bookmarks and settings return. Reinstall apps and extensions from the web store and restore files from Drive or your external backup. If a device won't connect or setup freezes, try a hard reset by holding refresh and power together, then retry power wash or recovery. Make sure to check for system updates after setup. That fixes many driver and compatibility issues and keeps your Chromebook stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.